Welcome to Sweet Talk SLP. I'm Krystle and I'm a pediatric speech language pathologist. Today's video is an unboxing video. But before we get started, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. Also, like this video and share it with your friends. Let's get to unboxing. Today is not only an unboxing, it's going to be a first impression because I won a speech cube in a giveaway. And this is my very first speech cube ever. So I thought it would be fun to unbox it with you and to share my first impression. Before we open it up, I wanted to give you some information that I looked up online. So this can be ordered through speechcube.com. It is a subscription box, and from what I can tell, it ships every single month. And the price of a speech cube is $39.99 for a single cube or to order month to month. They also have some discounts. For example, if you buy 3 months, it's $113.97. If you buy 6 months, it's $222.94. Or if you buy a whole year worth of 12 cubes, it's $590. So you can make the choice that works best for you. Now, I'm not super familiar with SpeechCube. I do follow them on social media. I do follow them on Instagram, but I feel like their posts don't come up on my feed, which obviously happens a lot with, the random logarithms that Instagram has. But enough about that. Let's open up the SpeechCube and see what's inside. Ooh, so how cute. Look at that. It's sealed with tissue paper and a nice little sticker. Okay, so on the top is a postcard. The box theme is on the move, and then it tells you what's inside. So I'm not going to read it as much as we'll just kind of go through it together. A transportation theme is a go-to in speech therapy. We hope these fun vehicle materials help make your transportation therapy collection complete. Enjoy. Ooh, I'm excited for a transportation theme box. That's exciting. I did not get the transportation theme from Speech Tree Co. I was late on, on that bus, and I know that she's not releasing it this year. So at least I have this. Let's see. So first there's a little bag of vehicles, and I don't know if they're all the same in every box, but I have 5 vehicles. We have a little blue delivery truck, a little semi truck, a little police car, I have a little blue car, and looks kind of like a 4-wheeler or an ATV. So a collection of cars. So these don't have movable wheels like regular traditional vehicles do, which I don't really care about. I'd say they're a little bit larger than mini object size and about the same size as toy cars, maybe a little bit smaller. They do feel pretty durable. So 5 cars. There are some stickers from Speaking of Semantics. I really enjoy Speaking of Semantics stickers, so let's take a look. Here's a scoop. I love speech therapy. That's super cute. So I'll be adding that to one of my computers. Okay, there are some Spark Innovation cards. They are tied together. So let's see. They are a sequencing set. I actually don't have any Spark cards, but they are generally sequencing sets. This one has 6 cards. It's going to the airport. Now, I don't know if all of them have going to the airport or they have a different transportation theme of cards, but it does show you a little bit of what each of the pictures are. And these are pretty durable. Like I said, I've never had these types of cards before. I've always thought about them, but never purchased. So it's nice. Did I skip one? Oh, this one. So it'll be nice to try all these out from this box, and then if I like them, I could go out and purchase a whole set. So that's really neat. There's some tape that looks like a road, so you can create your own road and town and drive your little cars on it. They kind of fit perfectly on there. We have a Mask Mates headband. So it's one of those headbands that has buttons to hold your mask. I do use headbands. Ooh, timeout. I was about to say, I don't know that I would like this, but this actually has these little grippers inside of it, kind of like those socks that have grippers on the bottom so that you don't slip, so that it would stay on your hair, I imagine. So I'm interested. I would try this out. Kind of put it, behind my bangs and then wear my mask, because I do still wear masks to my sessions. Pouch Puzzle on the Road. It's a 12-piece puzzle by Mud Puppy. And this seems pretty thick. So it comes in a little bag, and where did my little, ooh, so very durable, thick, large-sized puzzle. So I'm not sure if you can see with the glare, but this is what it looks like here. So it just has more transportation items on it. That's pretty cute. I love that it comes in a really small bag, like very easy to move around. We have a couple of requesting strips. Are there cards to go along with it? No. Oh, I guess you could put like a truck is a type of, and then it kind of helps you. It has the categories on the other end. So some visual strips. And then it looks like we have a little town so you could drive your cars on, and then the back looks like it has parking spaces. So very cute, very cute. Now let's see what it says here on the card. So mini vehicles with a mini town and parking lot, check. Vehicle puzzle in a travel bag, check. Road tape, check. Playing with Purpose ebook. I'm not sure, I mean, it was from Emily, so I don't know how. I did get a shipping confirmation, so I need to look to see if I did get that ebook from Emily, who is the owner of Tandem Speech. This giveaway was co-hosted by her book, Playing with Purpose, so I'll have to check that out. Sequencing cards, check. And 2 category visuals, check. Which I guess, well, I was gonna say, I'm kind of sad that they're the same, but I guess you could use one like this and one like this. So that way you can use them together. So that's okay. You could use dry erase markers on this. And then it says plus a mask holder, which is that headband, and stickers from Speaking of Semantics. So very cute on the move. This is cute. I like the box. I will be interested to see what other themes they have. I don't buy into all themed materials. I don't buy into all subscriptions either. I feel like I've looked at their website once before because I had seen something that piqued my interest when I was like going through their Instagram, but I didn't buy the cube still. Seeing one in person makes me think maybe I would consider buying one here and there. I don't know that I would get it monthly. I don't need that many materials. I also don't work in a classroom, so everything I take in my car, which makes it easy. These are things that are small and I can put them in a small container with transportation themed items. I don't know that I mean, I do have cars and stuff, but I don't have transportation themed material. So it'll be nice to kind of get started with that. It's cute. I like it. I would consider looking through them again. I was looking back. They do have some past speech cubes online. They have a Winter Wonderland, Get Wild, Campfire Tales, Beach Days, Birthday Bash, Pets Party, Summer Nights, and September. And it seems that everyone has kind of, I mean, they're obviously themed, but I can see one has, say, the Hoot Owl Hoot board game. One has a Pets sound puzzle by Melissa and Doug. One has a book, How to Catch a Mermaid. So they each have something very specific to that theme that's unique. So like this one has a very neat puzzle, but some, like I said, have a book or a game or something else. So I think that's neat. I think that the variety makes it really cool for a subscription. So that's all I have. Do you get the speech cube? If you have, which one has been your favorite? Do you have any of the ones that I mentioned that are still available, and do you recommend them? Because now I feel like I definitely need to consider looking at one of those other boxes and purchasing them. I think they also have a 10% coupon if you purchase for the first time. So I will also look into that because discount codes are great. But yeah, that's all I have for now. I hope that you like this video. If you like what you see, I hope that you'll subscribe to my video, like it, share it with your friends, ring the notification bell. You'll be notified of my weekly upload. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.